Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm back again on YouTube. I haven't posted any videos lately. That's because I have been working so hard on the new video that I posted yesterday. That took me a long time, and now I'm back. And now I want to show you guys my favorite band. I don't think he's a band, but I think he's an artist singer. And I'll show you guys. Look at that. It's so beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's so beautiful. Wow. What I like about these t-shirts that I got from him is that this guy, he's a YouTuber, and everyone, I don't know if nobody knows him, but like he used to be friends with Brian Starr or something like that. But who gives a about him? My bad. I didn't mean to say that word. Whatever. And I just want to show you guys, like, this shirt is so, I love it. I just love the shirt. And what I like about this one is because you can see the heart coming out from him. And then you have the zombies. Zombies that got... So this is him, but his eyes are coming out and all his eyes are going inside him. So that's so cool. And then you got new jackets that Johnnie Guilbert got. I love this jacket. I just got it like days ago. So dope. And I love that he did the same thing also with a heart. Show you the one I show you right now. And then after that, you have Johnny with the my legs with the guitar, and his eyes are like purple or something. I don't know if you can see that, but I love it. And I hope that Johnny, you really inspire me with YouTube, and I love your videos. I wish one day I can be like you, but I can be much better than you. And I'm not a... I really hope that I hit 500 subscribers, hopefully. And I hope you guys liked the video. And so what's up?